Hello, and welcome to Lesson 1A of Discovering Albanian. In Conversation 1, Iliri and Teuta are talking. Iliri and Teuta are friends, so the conversation is going to be informal. Listen to their conversation.
Mirëmëngjes. Unë jam Iliri. Kush je ti?
Unë jam Teuta.
Let's listen to their conversation again.
Mirëmëngjes. Unë jam Iliri. Kush je ti?
Unë jam Teuta.
In Conversation 2, Iliri and Teuta are talking again, but now this is a formal conversation. Imagine Iliri is Teuta's boss. Listen to their conversation.
Mirëmëngjes. Unë jam Iliri. Kush jeni ju?
Unë jam Teuta.
Let's see what we learned in these two dialogues. We learned the word for who, kush. We also learned the word for good morning, mirëmëngjes. Notice that the speaker says it very fast, so we just kind of hear mëngjes. So the mir, the first part, is pronounced very fast. Mirëmëngjes, mirëmëngjes. We also learned three pronouns, un, ti, and you. Un is equivalent of I, and notice that we have two forms for the informal form. We have you informal and we have the you formal. We also learned the forms of the verb to be that goes with the pronouns. So we say un jam, which is I am, ti je, you are, and ju jeni, you are. These are the forms of the verb to be. Look at this dialogue. Is this dialogue the formal or the informal dialogue? You're right. This is the formal dialogue because we can see that the form is ju jeni. And it's a question, so we invert the order. Very good. Let's listen to the dialogue again.
Mirëmëngjes. Unë jam Iliri. Kush jeni ju?
Unë jam Teuta.
Let's listen to the dialogue one more time. And this time you read along with the speaker. Read both Iliri's and Teuta's part.
Mirëmëngjes. Unë jam Iliri. Kush jeni ju?
Unë jam Teuta.
Now look at this dialogue. Is this the formal or the informal dialogue? You're right. This is the informal dialogue, and we can see that because the pronoun here is ti. It's you informal, and ti je. We see the form of the verb here as je. Listen to the dialogue again.
Mirëmëngjes. Unë jam Iliri. Kush je ti?
Unë jam Teuta.
Okay? This time you read along with the speaker. Read both parts, Iliri's and Teuta's part.
Mirëmëngjes. Unë jam Iliri. Kush je ti?
Unë jam Teuta.